Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to make a clip or capture a gameplay or replay or a special moment with OBS, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your OBS application here with the window here. Now when you have opened your OBS, you can find the settings icon here. So simply go to the settings by simply click on the settings button. Now you have to go to the output. So make sure that you have selected it to the advanced here. So you can click on this drop down button here. There is two options available like simple. Standard or advanced, so you have to choose the advanced. Now you can go to the replay buffer where you have to simply click on this box here, enable replay buffer. So when you have enabled it, you can find maximum replay time. So it actually depends on yourself, your preferences, all each of us preferences. We can add any time duration we want, but 30 seconds for me is good enough. So maximum memory, you can select the memory from here also. Now after that you have to simply click on apply and OK. So when you have click on apply and OK, then you have to simply click on settings. Now when you are on this here, like stream output here, replay buffer here, now you have to go to this again, this output and recording here. So you have to select the recording part. So all of your replay that you have captured as a clip, that will save to this recording path from here. So you can change it whenever you want by this browse button. So make sure you are on the right folder. Now you have to go to the hotkeys. So when you are on hotkeys, so you have to simply search for like features, like search for save, or you can do is simply scroll down, and from here you have to simply search for this save reply. So from here, if it's not showing here, so here you can see the start replay buffer or stop replay buffer here, and you have to enable it. So you have to add the key from here, like I'm going to add like F2, and stop for stop also F2, I'm going to add it. So when you want to clip any scene, so you have to simply press F2 immediately and it will start recording that replay for 30 seconds that, as I have said, set for it, then it will automatically be turned off. Then you have to simply click on apply and OK. So that's how you can just capture your reply or a clip. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.